Hello friends, Miss Carrie back again with day 2 of our butterfly project. So we have our balanced, symmetrical butterfly. That means they are the same on both sides. We did such a wonderful job on this part. Now we need to add color. So what you will need today is your paint palette, a bucket of water, a paintbrush, and your butterfly design. What I want you to do first is make sure you put your name on the back, because today, after we're done, these are going to go on the drying rack, and I need to make sure I know who the art belongs to. So once you've checked and made sure your name's on the back, you can start painting. We are going to paint all of our geometric shapes. Those are the shapes that have points and lines. We are going to paint all of those in cool colors. So for my friends who don't remember, cool colors are blue, green, and purple. All the other shapes are organic shapes. And those shapes will be in warm colors. So red, orange, and yellow. So let's go ahead and begin. I'm gonna get my paintbrush wet, get some of that water off, and I'm gonna get a cool color. I got this beautiful blue, so I'm gonna paint that circle right there in blue. And I want it to be the same on both sides, so I'm gonna paint that one blue also. My top one, add my int, and I'm gonna make those blue, because those are circles, those are geometric shapes. I'm gonna wash my brush really good, make sure it's nice and clean before I change colors. I'm gonna pick out that green, my other cool color. I'm gonna paint that rectangle there, green. I'm gonna match it on the other side. I'm gonna paint that one green, that way they're the same. I'm gonna use some of that purple, and I think I'm gonna paint this triangle shape, or diamond shape rather, in purple. Maybe I'll do one of these circles in purple too. Again, washing my brush, making sure it's clean. I think I want to add a little bit more green. I'm going to do that oval up there, green. And this paint palette has 2 different kinds of blue. One is a teal blue, which we used here. And then we have our true blue. I'm going to paint my other shapes in those colors. Alright. I'm going to clean my brush. This is a good time to use those sponges to make sure your brush is nice and clean. Miss Carrie doesn't have a sponge by her, but she's got a towel. And it works the same. You can tell there's no color coming off on that brush, on that towel. So now we can paint our other shapes, our organic shapes, warm colors. And I think I'm going to do the bottom half of my butterfly in orange. I like the way blue and orange look together. They create a lot of contrast because they're complementary colors. Alright, I'm going to change my color out again. Rinsing, rinsing, rinsing. And checking to make sure it is clean. And it is. And I think I'm going to paint the top part of my butterfly yellow. My last organic shape kind of looks like an oval, kind of looks like a rectangle. It's neither, so it's organic. I'm going to use my last warm color that I haven't used yet, and I'm going to paint the center of it in bright, beautiful red. Alright, so all that's left is the background, and you can choose any cool color to do your background. So blue, green, purple, any of those colors you may use for your background. You can even use a combination of those colors if you want. I think I'm going to pick blue and brush it in real quick. This is a lot of painting we're going to do. All right. And there you have it, your symmetrical butterfly with color. Remember, organic shapes are warm colors, geometric shapes are cool colors, and our background is a cool color. I don't think we'll get this all done in one day, but probably 2 days to get this whole thing painted and looking beautiful. Good job.